If you clicked on this video looking for those perfect drone shots of those most famous places in Switzerland that people visit just because they're famous, not because they're awesome, so then this video is not for you. This video is... need to adjust the lighting. This video is basically focused on people that actually, they don't want to see the glacier. They actually want to get on it. They want to sit on that mountaintop, touch the waterfalls. That's basically for those people. You might be wondering what I'm doing here. I just wanted to be a bit more personal and just try something new. So here are my favorite things or my favorite adventures I've experienced after living in Switzerland for several years. The very first one I wanted to talk about is Glacier Hike, which is a 2-day ultimate Swiss experience. You're hiking in mountaineering gear across the largest glacier in the Alps. You're staying overnight at a Swiss mountain hut. You're spending 2 full days with a Swiss mountain guide. I don't think there's any 2-day experience that could give you more authentic, adventurous adventure. I made a whole separate video about it. I'll link, the video somewhere below up. You'll find it. Next one, caving in the largest cave in Europe. There are a lot of tours, but my girlfriend gifted me for my birthday the 6-hour one, and it was one of the best adventures I've ever had. It started off easy, slow, it got more challenging and difficult, and we saw more things, and the cave got more complicated over time. And also we tried some barefoot walking through the cave. It was fantastic. I really loved the experience. Next one, canyoning, and I can't say this enough. It's so underrated adventure. You just imagine going to an amusement park, but in nature. Imagine jumps, slides, rappels, huge waterfalls. There are also very many tours and canyoning trips, but my personal favorite is Glacier, a 7.5-hour trip with 10-meter jumps, 50-meter slides, and a lot of other obstacles. But I also made another video. I'll link it somewhere, probably in the description. You can find it, you can watch it, have a look. Next one, Oeschinensee. Yes, I said at the beginning of the video that this one is, I'm trying to not include anything touristy, but this one is just too good. It's the hike I did there, which is fantastic. You follow an alpine track, you go all the way, almost like on the top of the lake. You just like see the whole scenery. It's just beautiful. Another thing you could do, which I also did and I really enjoyed it, was renting out the boat, and you can just paddle all the way till the waterfalls and back, and it's a wonderful experience. Skydiving in the Swiss Alps. Yes, this one is also a kind of obvious touristy one, but it had a huge impact on me personally, and I even decided to get a license after this one skydive. Reichenbach, the drop zone that is close to Interlaken, is actually considered one of the best jumping spots in the world, not only because of the beautiful Alps and the scenery, but also because they have the best skydiving plane in Switzerland, and also the stuff is very experienced. Forgot to mention that I also made a whole video about it, so go check it out somewhere. Another cool thing Switzerland has that I absolutely love is their beautiful, gorgeous waterfalls. And if you want any recommendations, then I would definitely suggest to check out Stäubifall. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And also Engstligenfall, especially the Angstigan because you can, the only way, as far as I know, you can access it is by hiking. So it will be a bit less touristy, and it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's huge, massive waterfall. Bungee jump and canyon swing is another must-do for adrenaline rush lovers, and there's just something about this 3, 2, and suddenly you're just fully present I think I've never seen anyone that has looked the same before and after the trip. Via Ferrata. So if you want to have this, I can't believe I actually did this vibe, then Via Ferrata is an option for you. I have only done 2 of them, but there are countless of them in Switzerland. And a pro tip, the harder it is to find it online, the more authentic and less touristy it will be. But be careful because there are different grades and some of them are really, really hard. And finally, Jeppo ride. It's a super short but also super fun adventure. Spinning on the glacier-colored lakes, visiting the Giesbach waterfalls and learning fun facts about the lake made it totally worth it. So while I was thinking about this video, I realized how many cool things there are in Switzerland, and unfortunately I can't mention all of them because otherwise it would be an hour-long video. But if you wanna check more stuff, rafting, mountaineering courses, you name it, anything you can think of, check the website outdoor.ch. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, oh, it's very dark in here. Yeah, I'll go back inside and cheers, ciao.